Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock any file in Google Drive. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Drive. Next thing you need to do is to select the file that you would like to lock in Google Drive. So I'm going to select this particular first file right here. Then after select the file, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to this particular three dots right here. Click on that. Then this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to file information. Then from file information, navigate to lock right here. Click on lock. And this is going to pump on. Then simply click on lock. Just like so, the file has been successfully locked. So you can see from your drive right here. So basically, this is how to lock file in your Google Drive without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.